Hey guys, today we have a 5-minute ladder arm workout. So we're going to start with exercise 1, repeat it, 1, 2, back to the bottom again, 1, 2, 3, back to the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's just 4 moves, 30 seconds each for each round, 5 minutes, quick, easy arm workout. First up, we have arm circles. Keep them nice and tight right here. And we're going to reverse the direction at 15 seconds. And reverse. Just 5 more seconds here. And back to the top for the arm circles again. Keep those shoulders down and back. Nice tight quick circles. And reverse. Next, we're taking it down to the ground for tricep dips. 5 more seconds. And down. So your hands are faced towards your feet. Raise your hips and just bend at the elbows. Make sure you're breathing. 3 more seconds. Back to the top. Go ahead and reverse that direction. 10 more seconds here. Tricep dips. After this, we're going to be adding on scissors. Seconds. Almost there. And scissors. Cross the opposite hand in front each time you come back to the center. Got 10 more seconds, so we're starting back from the top. Check it out. Arm circles. Keep them nice, tight, and quick. And reverse. 10 seconds. Down to the ground for our dips. This is your last set of tricep dips. Really make it count. Over halfway there. And back up. Got scissors once again. Should be starting to feel the burn here. Our very last step of the ladder is push-ups. If you need to modify, here I'm going to use here. You want more of a challenge for the last 15 seconds? Raise to your feet and push. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know how you did, and subscribe to this channel.